Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to pay Temu with cash. So, first thing that you should know about Temu is that you have to be in the region where Temu paying with cash is available. So, if you do have the option whenever you check out, like COD for payment method, so you can also use that. So let us try to order some products that we have here in our cart. Okay, so for example, we are going to purchase these products. So you just have to simply select the product that you want to purchase. That's right. And then as you can see right here under the payment methods, we have here the cash on delivery. So if you are eligible to use this one, so you just have to simply tap on this payment option. After that, you just have to tap on the submit order option. So after you're done, you just have to wait for the item to be delivered at your door. And then, yeah, right here below, you have the total details of this purchase. So after that, you just have to submit your order, this one at the bottom right corner of your screen. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.